Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some crispy candy. A bag of marshmallow. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Keep some space between the marshmallow and bake them in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. You can use crackers, pretzels, dry fruit, nuts, whatever you have in your cupboard. Press the topping down firmly onto the marshmallow. Don't burn yourself, it's a little bit hot. Return the tray back to the oven and bake for another 20 minutes. And you are all done. It is super crunchy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.